Okay, in this question, 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 equals 0. We are going to find the solution of x. So at first, we will draw a multiplication frame, or let's say we factorize it. You can use another way, but I prefer to use this way, multiplication frame. And first box will be filled by 3x squared. And the fourth box is really important. This is -4. So what makes -4? And let's say what makes 3x squared, 3x and x. What makes -4? We are going to reach the middle term. The middle term is 4x. So -2 and 2. Let's use -2 and 2. 2, yes. 2 times 3x will give us 6x. X times, look at my finger, x times -2 will be -2x. And I'm going to draw these, and you're going to add them up. These two numbers, -2x plus 6x, will give us the middle term. It is 4x. Now my multiplication frame is really correct. Now I can say, guys, this is now I really recommend you to just to factorize and circling around your factors. I recommend you circling around your factors. Look at these blue colors. Yes, my factor is 3x minus 2 times x plus 2. X plus 2 equals what? I factorized 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 is, when I factorize, or after factorizing, you just reach 3x minus 2 times x plus 2 equals what? As you see, equals 0. Guys, what makes 0? What numbers after you multiply, then you are going to reach 0? Yes, one of them must be 0. So 3x minus 2 or x plus 2 is 0. Let's look at the first expression. The first expression is, let's say you're going to send or move this -2 to the other side. It's going to be positive 2, so 3x will be here. 3x equals 2. 3x equals 2. So x will be 2 over 3, because 3 goes another side, or as a division, Let's look at the second one. X plus 2. So 2 goes another side as negative numbers. So -2. So x will stay on the left side. X equals -2. So we can say our solution is x. X could be -2 or 2 over 3. When you replace, instead of x, when you replace x with -2, you're going to reach, this expression will be 0. This expression will be 0. Let's verify. 3 times -2 squared plus 4 times -2, -4 equals 0. So here's going to be 4 times 3, 12, plus here's going to be -8. Here is going to be -4. So the result will be, as you see, 0. So x can be -2 or x can be 2 over 3. Our solution is, or the solution of this function, quadratic function, quadratic expression, is 2 over 3 and -2.